War Journal of Captain Gabriel Angelos. The situation on the planet Tartarus is grim. While the Blood Ravens crushed the main Orc offensive at the spaceport, the bulk of their force is not engaged. They gather in the wilderness, awaiting a critical mass of bodies that will overwhelm the Imperial forces in a green wave of death and destruction. The Blood Ravens will not allow this to occur. Orbital monitoring has detected an area in the southern forests where the Orcs appear to be massing. Orcs only respect strength, so they will look to the largest of their groups to lead them. We will insert a small, covert strike force to eliminate these Orc leaders and destroy any encampments where the Orcs might mass. This should cut to the heart of the Orcs' fighting spirit and delay their inevitable counterattack. We must tread lightly, lest we disturb this slumbering beast. You have your orders. Now go, and may the Emperor protect you.
I do not care for all this sneaking about.
I know, old friend. You always have preferred the direct approach.
We have the Imperial Guard. Why not send them into battle instead of treating them like glorified shepherds? If we meet the Orcs in force, they cannot possibly stand before us.
We have fought the Orc 100 times before. They thrive on war. A direct assault on them would likely improve their morale and simply attract more of them. The casualties would be enormous.
What are the Imperial Guard for if not to die for their Emperor? At the very least, we should retain a regiment to remain at our core. We have little support this far out. We would not want to be remembered for our carelessness.
We, old friend? Or me?
We are brothers, Gabriel. You know better than to ask that question. I know what this is about. There was nothing you could have done to save Cyrene.
Do not mention that place again, Isidore. Cyrene was my homeworld. My responsibility. Scout Team 3, do you copy?
Yes, my lord.
The local Imperial waterworks has fallen into Orc hands. If we are to reclaim this area, we must first retake this position. Scouts have infiltrated ahead of you and will assist you in your reconnaissance. If things prove to be more than you can handle, reinforcements will be mobilized to assist.
Getting into position. This area is crawling with Orcs. We should infiltrate to sneak past them. Do not get too close, scouts, or we may be spotted. Commencing infiltration at your command.
Taking heavy fire!
Scouts advance. Gathering intelligence. Attack! Yes, my lord. Gathering intelligence. I sense danger. We will root it out. Getting into position. Our aim is true. On patrol. Scouts advance. Scouts ready. Yes, my lord. Commencing infiltration. Scouts ready. Our aim is true.
Under fire!
Scouts here. At your command. Search commencing. Gathering intelligence. Our yes, my lord. Is true. Yes, my lord. Getting into position. Scouts ready. Scouts here. Scouts here. Scouts ready.
The wretched Xenos are guarding a strategic point. Scout Team 2 is
Search
upgraded with
commencing.
sniper rifles.
At your command.
They will make short work of
Scouts
these
in
orcs.
position. True. Lining up our targets. Yes, my lord. Scouts charge. Scouts in position. Area secure. Scouts here. Scouts ready. I sense danger. We will root it out. Scouts in position. We will move ahead and mark any enemy positions. Scouts in position. Position. Scouts secure. Advance. Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. Scouts awaiting orders. There is an orc patrol. Scouts advance before we attempt to scout here.
Excellent. Your Scout Marine squad is now invisible to all
Search
enemies
commencing.
except for commanders.
Scouts
Keep
advance.
in mind, though, if you
We'll
are
move ahead
attacked, your
and mark
invisibility
any
will be
enemy
broken,
positions.
and some time will pass
Commencing
before you can utilize
infiltration.
it again.
Commencing infiltration. Getting into position. Scouts awaiting orders. I sense
Taking heavy
danger.
fire.
We will root it out. Lord. Scouts ready. I sense danger. Scouts awaiting orders. Root it out. Scouts awaiting orders. At your command. Lining up our targets.
Space Marines, attack! Space Marines, attack!
Scouts awaiting orders. Scouts advance. Scouts advance. Scouts in position. At your command. Search commencing. Scouts advance. Commencing infiltration. Scouts charge.
The enemy is attacking!
We will move ahead and mark any enemy positions. On patrol. There's our target. A large orc knob who looks like he's in charge of this bunch. If we kill him, we'll severely weaken the orc morale.
Good work. The Orc Knob is dead. We will take it from here. Today, the enemy shall know fear.
Scouts here. Search commencing.
Today, the enemy shall know fear.
Yes, my lord. Search commencing. Attack! We will move ahead and mark any enemy positions. Scouts charge. The enemy is in our sights. We will take them down from here.
No retreat! No surrender! Taking hits!
Attack! We will take them down from here. Our aim is true. We will take them down from here. The enemy is in our sights. Getting into position. Scouts here, infiltrating enemy territory.
Awaiting orders. Charge!
Scouts ready.
Beware the alien.
Yes, my lord.
Walk softly. Carry a big gun.
Onward to glory!
Well done.
Scouts
The
awaiting
waterworks
orders.
are under our
Yes, my
control.
lord.
Now we must start building a base before we hunt down the
Maintain
rest of the
attack
orcs.
formation.
Let us capture these strategic points
Stay
and establish a
vigilant,
base of
brothers.
operations.
Engaging the enemy.
I await your instructions. Initializing build protocol.
Area secured.
With all due
At your
haste.
command, commencing infiltration.
At your command. Onward to glory! Fear taking damage.
Scouts in position.
I await your instructions.
Defending objective. Yes, my lord.
Yes, most beneficent one.
Scouts here. Getting into position.
Yes, Lord.
He who stands with me shall
Scouts
be
in
my
position.
brother.
Scouts awaiting orders. Commencing infiltration. Defending
I
objective.
will do
Scouts
as
ready.
you ask.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord.
Taking damage.
This day shall be a glorious one for
Yes,
the
my lord.
Imperium.
The enemy is in our sights.
While the enemies of the Emperor still draw breath,
Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. I exist to serve. I exist to serve.
Scouts awaiting orders.
the Emperor protects.
We stand ready.
Scouts awaiting orders.
He who stands with me shall be
Scouts
my
in
brother.
position.
Onward to glory!
Scouts here. We will move ahead and
My
mark
faith
any
is
enemy
my shield.
positions. At your command.
Here to serve. I will do as you ask. Yes, most
Scouts
beneficent
in
one.
position.
Praise the Emperor. For terror. Agreed.
The enemy is attacking!
For the glory of the Emperor.
I await your instructions.
Marine squad deployed.
Scouts here. Scouts in position. Commencing infiltration. We will move ahead and mark any enemy positions. On patrol. Scouts here.
Fear denies faith.
Yes, Lord. With all due haste.
Marine squad deployed. Yes, my lord. We are the Emperor's chosen. What is your order? Taking damage. Awaiting orders. Marine squad deployed. We are the Emperor's chosen. Direct us to the enemy.
Scouts awaiting orders. Getting into position. Getting into position. We will move ahead and mark any enemy positions.
Awaiting orders.
My faith is my
At your
shield.
command.
On alert, brothers. The enemy must be nearby. Walk softly and carry a big gun.
Our aim is true. The enemy is in our sights. Our aim is true. Our aim is true.
Taking heavy fire. What is your order?
I command in the name of the Emperor.
At your command.
What would you have me do?
At your command. We will move ahead and mark any enemy positions. At your command. Scouts in position. The enemy is in our sights. Scouts in position. Lining up our targets. Scouts in position. The enemy is in our sights.
Beware, Adrian.
We will take them down from here. Our aim is true. Lining up our targets. Attack!
Under fire.
Attack! On patrol.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, most beneficent one? I will do as you ask.
Ever vigilant. Fear our wrath.
What would you have me do?
Heresy grows from idleness. Orders received, brother. Weapons at ready. It is time. Orders received, brother. Charge! Orders received. Maintain the enemy is attacking.
To me, my brothers!
Charge! Moving out. Moving out. Moving out. Under fire. Kill. Awaiting orders. We will crush the enemies of the Imperium. Maintain attack formation. Fear denies faith. Cleanse, purge, kill! Stay vigilant, brothers. We stand ready. Stay vigilant, brothers.
We will need more than heavy bolters to defeat these orcs. We must upgrade the stronghold to gain access to the tools we will need to destroy this
At your
plague.
command. Scouts here. Scouts ready.
Heresy grows from idleness. Moving out. Orders received, brother. What is your order? Faith is our shield. Cleanse, purge, kill. Ever vigilant.
Yes, most beneficent one.
Ever vigilant.
The Emperor protects.
Yes, my lord. Fear our wrath. The enemy is attacking. Fear our wrath. Orders received. Orders received. For the glory of the Imperium. Fear our wrath. Initiating attack protocol 23. Orders received, brother. Direct us to the enemy. At your command. What is your order?
The all-telling eyes of the skull probes are with us. Find them on our listening posts. The monastery is complete. Sergeants will inspire your Space Marine squads to greater feats of heroism, and rocket launchers will make short work of Orc buildings.
Area secure deployed.
He who stands with me shall be my brother.
Heresy grows from idleness. Moving out. Understood. Orders received.
Beware, brothers.
Taking hits.
That mechanical monster is a killer can. It is devastating in close quarters fighting, and its armored hide will shrug off small arms fire. We must equip ourselves with missile launchers if we are to destroy the abomination. We must upgrade an existing listening post with the fortified
Awaiting
position
orders.
add-on.
Direct us
This
to the enemy.
upgrade will increase the requisition income and add better defenses to the listening post.
At your command. Squadron ever vigilant. Regrouping. Regroup. Awaiting orders. What's your order? Our main hold.
The listening post is now earning more requisition, has better armor against enemy attacks, and has a gun emplacement to strike back.
Yes, my lord. Engaging the enemy. Fear our wrath. Engaging the enemy. Heresy.
We are the Imperial Guard. It is time we started acting like it.
Faith is our shield. What's your order? Understood. Faith is our shield.
Yes, my lord. Reporting, sir. The Emperor protects. The Emperor protects. We're here. At your command. The Emperor protects.
We are the Emperor's
Yes,
chosen.
my lord. Reporting, sir.
Faith is our shield. Orders received. At your command.
The Emperor protects.
Direct us to the enemy. Yes, my lord.
Reporting, sir.
Scouts reporting
The
for
Emperor
duty.
protects.
Objective achieved.
We're here.
Direct us to the enemy.
Marine squad
Fear
deployed.
our wrath.
We're here. Yes, sir. The Emperor protects. We're here.
Ever vigilant. We are the Emperor's
Scouts
chosen.
ready.
Awaiting orders. Maintain attack formation. Under fire. We stand ready.
Yes, my lord.
Taking heavy fire.
Yes, sir.
Yes, my lord.
On alert, brothers. The enemy must be nearby.
Fear denies faith. At your command, we stand ready.
This day shall be a glorious one for the Imperium.
Weapons
Today,
at
the
ready.
enemy shall
It
know
is
fear.
time. Attacking as ordered. Cleanse, purge, kill. Maintain attack formation. Taking damage.
The Emperor protects.
Initiating attack protocol.
Beware. Today, the enemy shall know fear.
Cleanse, purge, kill.
While the enemies of the Emperor still draw breath, there can be
Commencing attack. Taking damage. Attacking as ordered. Fall back! Attacking as ordered.
on alert, brothers. The enemy must be nearby.
Stay vigilant, brothers. Initiating attack protocol 23. None shall stop us. Commencing attack.
Beware.
Attacking as ordered.
Beware the alien.
Initiating attack protocol 23. Attacking as ordered.
Walk softly.
Taking haste. Commencing attack.
Walk softly. The Emperor protects.
Commencing attack.
While the enemies of the Emperor still draw breath, there can be no peace. The Emperor protects.
Weapons at ready. It is time. Orders received, brother.
Today, the enemy shall know fear.
Weapons at ready.
On
It
alert,
is
brothers.
time.
The enemy must be nearby.
Orders received. The enemy is attacking. Orders received.
While the enemies of the Emperor still draw breath, there can be no peace.
Orders received. Commencing attack.
Beware the alien, the mutant, the heretic.
Orders received. Understood.
Praise the Emperor.
None shall stop us. Fear our wrath. Cleanse, purge, kill.
While the enemies of the Emperor still draw breath, there can be no peace.
None shall stop us. None shall stop us. None shall stop us.
We're here. Yes, sir.
Faith is our shield. Ever vigilant.
Reporting, sir. We'll get through this, I know it.
Awaiting orders. Orders received.
While the enemies of the Emperor still draw breath, there can be no peace.
The Emperor protects.
Today, the enemy shall know fear.
Fear our
Praise the Emperor. He who stands with me shall be my brother.
commencing attack. Moving out.
Beware the alien, the mutant, the heretic.
Orders received. Maintain attack formation. Onward to glory!
What would you have me do?
Taking damage. Onward to glory! Initiating attack protocol 20.
Beware the alien.
Onward to glory!
My faith is my shield.
Maintain attack formation. For the glory of the Imperium.
Praise the Emperor.
Onward to glory! Attacking as ordered. Fear our wrath. Charge. Understood.
He who stands with me shall be my brother.
Taking damage. Engaging the enemy. For the glory of the Imperium.
He who stands with me shall be my brother.
None shall stop us. Fear our wrath.
What would you have me do?
Scouts in position. On patrol. We will move ahead and mark any enemy
Heresy
positions.
grows from idleness.
This day shall be a glorious one for the Imperium.
We stand ready. What is your order?
Scouts in position. On patrol. Search commencing. Scouts here. Yes, my lord. Infiltrating enemy territory.
Fear denies faith.
He who stands with me shall be my brother.
Area secured. Area secured. Scouts ready. We will move ahead and mark any enemy positions.
Direct us to the enemy.
We're here.
Awaiting orders.
Scouts awaiting orders. Search commencing. Search commencing. Infiltrating enemy territory.
He who stands with me shall be my brother. While the enemies of the Emperor still draw breath, there can be no peace.
Following orders. Charge!
The Emperor protects. What would you have me do? Praise the Emperor.
Orders received, brother. Weapons at ready. Enemy is attacking. For the glory of the Imperium.
Defending objective.
Engaging the enemy. We are the Emperor's chosen.
At your command. On patrol. I must speak with the captain.
He is giving the Emperor his praise. Leave him this moment.
Yes, brother librarian. We completed our sweep of the area and can find no more orcs.
Indeed. Tell your squad to move ahead and clear the company's path.
Yes, brother librarian.
I will suffer no trespass.